We could start tonight. Slide back the deadbolts, let the pictures down. They hold no life. And if you've got some faith, then you are faithful. You fall down on your face. You got a face full. We could start tonight. Pull down the plastic, light the gasoline, we'll race the lines. And if you want to live, then go on living. If you want to kill, you gotta get it right. A ceiling was beyond the world I could afford. You'll never knock your head or chip your teeth if you wanted some more. Or just keep dancing with your chin and vacant stare. The boundless worth in every movement with you seated in your chair. And here we are, saints and sightseers. The light bulb phosphorescent flash and then we're gone. And there we were, all full of fevers, a million shakes until the leaves are drifting on. And here we are, far beyond reason. A million fires, a million holes cut in the sky. And there we were, saints and sightseers. A million runaway lights to bring us through the night. We stand on ledges, kick our feet and throw out shoes. I tried to move a little closer, nothing left for me to lose. There is no argument to get me going hoarse. Misplaced my mind and now I do not have to worry about the fall. Less talk, more arms, more legs, more swinging back and forth. Lights on, lights off. I know that I want to be adored. First hips, then knees, then feet. Don't think anymore.